Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Thursday 26th of July with me, which is a market analyst at Hantec Markets. Cable is my next chart that I'm going to look at, and it's interesting, we've seen a sort of a tick higher in cable in the last week as the market has recovered, but it's done this several times over the last few months. Just little sort of moves higher that get sold into. Little recovery moves higher that get sold into. I think it's going to be another one here. You've got this downtrend channel intact. You've got the momentum indicators. Again, still negatively configured RSI. It's been consistently failing under 50, currently 48. MACD line's not really showing a great deal. Stochastics are edging higher rather than really decisively accelerating. It all sort of paints a picture, I think, of selling into strength. You've got this pivot around 32 figure, which has been a basis. It's not exact science by anything, but still a basis that the market has been moving to, and it's sort of rallied towards that now and just sort of edged back a touch today. You really would need to see 32.90 at the least, which is that not only the trend line of the downtrend channel currently, but also that reaction high that we saw back in mid-July. And ultimately, you need a move above 33.60 to really suggest that the market's turning around, because that is the first key lower high within the sell-off. So you need to see a break above that to really sort of start to see the market sustainably turning around. So at the moment, this is just a rally within the downtrend channel. You could argue that it's sort of eyeing a recovery on. I mean, you look at the hourly chart, you're trading above the moving averages, which are all rising. Momentum indicators, very slight positive bias given the fact that you have recovered in the last few sessions. I suppose you could argue we're in an uptrend phase as well, which comes in about 31.50 at the moment. But yesterday's low, or mid-afternoon low, 31.30, is your initial support, and that's above the reaction low, higher reaction low at 30.70. So there is a very slight recovery in process, but how the market reacts to this 32 figure pivot area and ultimately the top of that downtrend channel 32.90 will be the determining factor. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.